With the cold temperatures we're expecting, we want to keep you warm and safe. 10 TV's Kristen McFarland joins us now with some resources you may not know about.
Frigid temperatures are settling in. Come Monday, it will be even colder. Multiple warming centers will be open across the county to give people a break from the cold.
Monday morning, much of central Ohio will wake up to bitter cold. For anyone needing a warm place to go, the Columbus Metropolitan Main Library will open its north entrance from noon to 9 p.m.
And this is a holiday, but everybody deserves a roof over their head. Nobody deserves to be out here in this miserable cold if they don't need to be.
If you must be outside, Fairfield County EMA Deputy Director Garrett Blevins urges people to layer up and limit time in the cold as much as possible.
If you are going out on a run or something, take a cell phone, just be able to call for help if you need to. And if you don't have to go out, maybe not, especially in the evening hours when that temperature drops.
Blevins also recommends keeping a preparedness kit in your car, including blankets, in case you end up stranded on the side of the road.
For a full list of the warming centers available, visit our website, 10tv.com. Reporting in Columbus, Kristen McFarland, 10 TV News.